Brother Umar has a question that he had underwent or undergone a number of surgeries in his kidneys and appendix and etc. And he suffers from passing wind. So he's asking what to do when this is happening and what to do with the prayer. Akhi al-Kareem, Umar, I pray to Allah that He cures your illnesses and restores your health back again to be stronger and better than before. Regarding passing wind and breaking your wudu, you are either one of two. Either this happens on intervals or it is continuous. Intervals mean that it happens for 5-10 minutes and then it stops for half an hour or an hour. And then it happens for 5-10 minutes and stops for half an hour. So you can estimate that this is a half an hour or an hour where I can perform wudu and pray. In this case, you have to pray in the interval or in the period that you don't pass wind. The second scenario is when you have it continuous. And in this case, there is nothing for you to do, because even if you wait 24 hours, it's going to still continue, and it breaks every few minutes. It doesn't give you time to pray or to maintain your wudu. In this case, whenever the adhan is called, so adhan al-asr is called, you go to the toilet, make wudu. Even while making wudu, if something comes out, don't pay attention to it. Continue your wudu, pray, even if while praying something comes out. This is continuous. It has no impact on your tahara and your wudu, nor your prayer. And you can do everything until the time is over. Once the other prayer is due, you have to perform wudu again, and this maintains and stays with you until the other prayer